Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Discord to build a community. Here are three basic methods to use Discord for building a strong community. First method, create an organized and inclusive server. Set a clear purpose. Define the theme or goal of your community. For example, gaming, learning, or support. Ensure your server provides value and serves a specific audience. Organize channels and roles. Create channels for general chat, specific topics, announcements, and resources. Use roles to categorize members, for example, moderators, contributors, or new members. Keep channels focused to avoid clutter. Create welcoming environment. Set up a welcoming channel to greet new members and guide them with rules of FAQs. Foster inclusivity and actively moderate the server to prevent toxicity. Next method, foster engagement and activity. Be active and interactive. Regularly participate in discussions to set the tone for the community. Respond to members' messages and show appreciation for contributions. Host events and activities. Organize community events like game nights, Q&A sessions, contests, or watch parties. Use bots to create fun minigames, polls, or interactive features. Recognize and reward members. Highlight top contributors with special roles or shoutouts. Implement a leveling system using bots like MAE6 to reward active participation. Last method, promote and grow your community. Use social media and networking. Share your server on platforms like Reddit, Twitter X, and Instagram. Join similar communities to network and invite like-minded members. Partner with other communities. Collaborate with other Discord servers or groups for cross-promotions or joint events. Focus on word of mouth. Encourage your members to invite friends who might be interested. Provide a unique experience that makes people excited to share your server. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.